Hi students, My Little Grass Shack is another Hawaiian ukulele number, and this is done by Don Ho, who also did Tiny Bubbles. This song also has an intro, which we know to dig in on the upstroke. So we're starting with an up strum. I'm grabbing my thumb on there. And then the F. And then once you do the intro on the up strum, you have I wanna go back to my little grass shack. Now this song has some Hawaiian terms. Kalakakua, Hawaii. I want to go back to my little grass shack in Kalakakua, Hawaii. Kanis and wahinis. We've seen that before. Here are the old ukes playing on the beach at Honau. And I can hear the old Hawaiians singing. Koko mai no kakaua, kakaila walakakai. It won't be long till my ship will be sailing back to Kona. Well, that's not hard. And here, where the huma nuka apu a go swimming by. Where the huma nuka apu a go swimming by. Let's try it at a good tempo, and we'll frame the beginning and the end with this up strum intro. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, ready, strum. I wanna go back to my little grass shack in Kalakakua, Hawaii. I wanna be with all the kanis, wahinis I knew long ago. I can hear the old ukes playing on the beach at Honau. I can hear the old Hawaiians singing Koko mai no kakaua, kakai walakahai. It won't be long till my ship will be sailing back to Kona. A grand old place I always long to see. You're telling me I'm just a little Hawaiian and a homesick island boy. I wanna go back to my fish and koi. I wanna go back to my little grass shack in Kalakakua, Hawaii. Where the huma nuka apu a go swimming by. I can hear the old ukes playing on the beach at Honau. I can hear the old Hawaiians singing Koko mai no kakaua, kakaia walakahai. It won't be long till the ship is shipping back to Kona. A grand old place I always long to see. You're telling me I'm just a little Hawaiian and a homesick island boy. I wanna go back to my fish and koi. I wanna go back to my little grass shack in Kalakakua, Hawaii. Where the huma nuka apu a go swimming by. Where the huma nuka apu a go swimming by. That was a good idea. Have fun, students.